Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Alvin, and today we're going to create our vision board and set the goals and the dreams that we want to accomplish for next year. With the holidays coming up right around the corner, I thought it would be the perfect time to create our vision boards. What goals do you want to accomplish for next year? Let me know and leave me a comment down below. Personally, I love making vision boards because it gives me the time to pause and to reflect. You know, it's such a creative way for us to run free and just to be creative with what we hope to accomplish. You know, we can get so busy and so caught up in our day-to-day life, and we just forget to actually take care of ourselves. So think of this as a dedicated time to prioritize yourself, to let go of any limiting beliefs that you might have. As we go through this, ask yourself the following question. How do you want to feel next year? What are some words of affirmation that you'd like to come to fruition? And what is your theme for next year? I'm going to go and open up Notion to jot down some of my big goals that I aspire to accomplish, but please feel free to open up your own physical notebook or even Microsoft Word. Let's start by answering two specific questions. For me, I'm going to write this around my family, my career, and my day job as a project manager, my personal life, and of course my aspirations that's tied to all things related to my YouTube channel. So first, who do I want to be? What are the principles and the values that I will live by? In terms of family, I will be the best husband to my wife. I will prioritize building the intimacy, the respect, the trust and the care, and just creating those precious moments with her. It's very important to me that I prioritize spending the time with the ones that I love. I want to dedicate that time to making my relationship with my life a loving and a continuously growing one. I will also be the best son that I can be to my parents. I will prioritize helping take care of them, showing them the utmost respect and care, and I will dedicate time to spend with them every single month. Our parents, they raised us to be who we are today, and it's so important that we're grateful for everything that we've done with how they raised us and how they brought us up to be where we are right now. So moving on to the next topic, for my career, there are several values that I want to live by. First, I will be a hard worker who motivates, who inspires my team. Second, I will communicate proactively to help mitigate any issues and to be 100% transparent with anyone I work with. I'm all about transparency and I want to encourage a collaborative environment. Let's continue adding on to that. I will show respect to others and I will hold them accountable for their work. And something that I do need to work on is learning to say no when my bandwidth is too high and I just can't take on too much more responsibilities and more work. For my YouTube channel, I will bring the best version of myself to every single video that I release. As you know, I love creating videos to help you grow in your career, and it just brings me so much joy. So to reflect that, I will inspire and I will continue to motivate other career professionals who also want to grow in project management. And the last goal that I have here is that I will develop and I will have a thick skin and not be so sensitive to any negative or hurtful comments on my videos. It's crazy to think, but I get a lot of positive comments, but I actually also get a handful of negative comments as well. And unfortunately, those negative comments, they actually do ruin my day, and it takes me a while to physically pick myself back up again, so to speak, and to have the courage to keep filming, editing, and creating more videos. So this is something that I will keep working on. It's a reminder to myself that as long as I can help one person out there, then I know that what I'm doing is completely well worth my efforts. Let's talk about the next question. Where do I want to be and what do I hope to accomplish? Let's start with family, and this is the biggest aspiration that I want to manifest for next year. My wife and I, will manifest becoming pregnant. And we will have a baby by end of next year so we can start a family together. If you've watched my previous video, then you know that this is something that we've been struggling with for the past year. It hasn't been an easy journey whatsoever, and so I really want to manifest this dream for next year. It would really mean a lot to me that we can just raise a family together. The next one is we will manifest going on at least one vacation. I confess to you that I work more than 50 to 60 hours a week. It's not the best, and I'm not very good at taking time off and vacations. And I feel like I am constantly grinding and just working every single day. So just the act of telling you guys this on the camera and writing it down on my Notion makes me prioritize wanting to take vacation next year. And the last one here is that we will manifest spending more time with our parents and our family. Our loved ones are so precious to us, and we need to cherish the time that we have with them. In terms of my career, I have two big aspirations. I will manifest earning my PMI ACP certification, and I will become an Agile certified practitioner. I feel anxious telling you this goal through camera, but I feel that if I tell you this, it's going to hold myself even more accountable. So there's that goal. And on top of that, I manifest that I will do my best to have a better work-life balance. Now for my personal bucket, I will manifest prioritizing and taking much better care of my health and my fitness. I have had a lot of health issues and huge health scares just the past year. And it's a huge wake-up call to me that I need to eat healthy, number one, and I need to prioritize exercising in my life. No ifs, ands, or buts. And for my YouTube channel, I love helping you guys out, and it's my goal to manifest launching 2 new courses or products for next year that will help you advance and land a job as a project manager so that you can reach that next level. And of course, my other goal is that I will manifest reaching 30,000 subscribers. It's a huge number, and just saying that out loud sounds ridiculous, but it's a stretch goal for me to accomplish for next year. At the time of this recording, we have about 19,000 subscribers, and I definitely couldn't do this without any of your help. So thank you guys so much for all of your help and support. Seeing this number really does mean the world to me, and I'm excited to reach 20,000 subscribers, hopefully by beginning of January. Now that we've created our high-level goals, it's time for us to actually create our vision board. I'm going to be using a software that's called Keynote on my MacBook Pro, and I like to search for images using a platform called Pinterest. But you can do this with any other software using PowerPoint or even your own personal notebook. I'll be sharing my screen right now so you can see how I'm going to create this real time, and I might even speed this up. All you gotta do is just find the images, copy and paste them directly from Pinterest. Find anything that lights you up. Feel the hope and the joy that you're getting and the excitement for your future that's in store for you. Just let your creativity run free as you're creating your vision board. Just try to visualize yourself achieving your dreams. To start off, I want to look for images that are tied to family, right? I dream of being able to finally start a new family. Family is everything to me, and I want several images on the left side of my vision board to reflect that. The other thing that I want to add here is manifesting my dream to start a family with my wife. So I'm going to add pictures of a baby's hand, maybe a baby sitting next to a teddy bear, and of course a baby with an ultrasound image. Just looking at this right now, it's so exciting to think about the opportunity and the potential about what could really happen next year if our dreams did become reality. To the top right of my vision board, I want to include some images that are related to working out. I found a pretty good motivational image of slow progress is better than no progress, stay positive, and don't give up. It's a good reminder to myself and hopefully to you guys that you're not going to see results in one day. You have to keep going. I'll also add in an image of a squat rack and a bench press. For next year, it's my goal to prioritize these 2 exercises to help build more muscle in my body and to also strengthen my core muscles. Towards the bottom right of my vision board and maybe throughout the middle of my vision board, I do want to add some images dedicated to my career. So that's everything around becoming a better leader, and what makes a good leader. I want to doubt myself less and also be more confident in myself. I found this really good quote that leadership is not wielding authority. It is actually empowering people. The other huge aspiration that I have is to become a PMI Agile certified practitioner. So let's add an image of that logo right here. Other areas that you'll see on my vision board are images of food, specifically salmon, a fruit bowl, and a fruit smoothie, because I want to live an intentional life around eating healthy. How can we build our wealth without our health, right? So always prioritize your health as number 1. And the last area here is around my YouTube channel. I will manifest reaching 30,000 subscribers by the end of 2024. And to motivate me even further, I'm keeping a separate slide just for the PMI ACP certification. What I did was I put my name right in the middle so I can visualize myself earning the actual certification and passing my exam. It's a great visual mental hack that reminds me what I can do and that this is something that I will achieve. So in all, this is what my final vision board for 2024 looks like. I love creating the vision boards because it acknowledges my dreams, my biggest aspirations, and it feels like I am one step closer to actually achieving them. I have so much more mental clarity in what I want. So I encourage you to plant that seed. And next thing you know, you're visualizing entirely what's possible for you. If you gained any value out of this video, please smash that like button. And again, thank you so much for joining with me today to create this vision board. It truly does mean a lot to me. The sky's the limit, and as Buzz Lightyear once said, to infinity and beyond. In the spirit of looking forward and just living a much more intentional life, check out this video where I plan out all the goals that I want to accomplish for next year, and I'll see you in the next video.